Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Snoopy and Skibidi Toilet as one character. So, let's get started. Hey, how's it going? We're going to draw merging a mixture between Snoopy and Skibidi Toilet. So, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with Snoopy's head. So, we're going to go right here. We draw a curve right there. We're going to keep going up over here. Curvature for the top of the head. Continue down like so. All right. And curve up for the ear, right? That's a very Snoopy thing, would be his big ear. Inside right here, we're going to have another like circle, kind of close to the edge. And we're going to fill that in. We're going to fill in that shape. Pull in even more, down, and down over here. Line over here. So far, so good, right? Got that Snoopy part, kind of. All right, we're going over here. Curve the nose, little curve, and then fill that in to get that. You're starting to get that Snoopy vibe, right? And line like so there. Okay, that's the Snoopy part. Let's go into the Skibidi Toilet part. Line across. Have that toilet lid. Curve over here on the side. It's really just like a bar now, right? It looks like a little, like a space bar or something. Out, out. Curve, curve. Line out, line out. Down, across, up right there. So that's like the bottom, right? The porcelain bowl kind of part of the toilet itself. So let's kind of, what you could do is you could draw like a thinner line right here on this side, thinner line on that side, showing there's like some kind of corner there. And then maybe even like a line over here along the edge of the bowl, just to kind of give it a little bit of, what do you call it? Oh, dimension. Forgive me. Sorry, I didn't sleep that well. Forgive me, guys. I never sleep that well. But line down over here for the lid. Okay. Curve over here, down. So that's the lid of the toilet there. Right on. Line across over here for kind of the tank now that we have to do in the back. And we're going to put a line, maybe yay tall. I don't know, like somewhere around here. We're going to throw another line across. Don't forget, if you have any questions, let me know. I always want to hear them. I read every single comment. Just let me know. Down over here. If you give me a name for this character, by the way, I'll pin it. I'll pin the one I like the most. And if you're the only comment, I'm going to pin that comment. So try it out. Over here now. Top is basically the top of the lid that you put that stuff on, right? Over here, up. There you go. Line over here. And we want to throw a little bit more. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot the handle. So we're going to go over here and draw at an angle, okay? Line out like that. Curve a little bit out. So, circle. Line up right there for kind of the tubing underneath, which makes a lot of sense. Tubing over here. Curved line around this area, up. Line right there. Line, 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 to kind of, let you know that it is the tubing there. That's underneath. One more thing, we're gonna draw a thick line around the entire outside of this. Okay, so let's do it. We're gonna start over here at the front. Oopsie daisy. Curve around here. We're making these epic masterpieces right together. So if only Picasso could do this back in the day. Line over here underneath, and we're, like I said, we're just kind of drawing a thicker, slightly thicker line. No, go wild. You can go wild if you want. Up over here. Line up around this area. We're just, again, I guess this is a negative space, so we have to kind of do the same thing. Curve over here. Over here, down. Continue. And what I want you to do is I want you to stay positive when you're drawing this kind of stuff. I understand sometimes mistakes happen. You're just aiming to have fun. That's it. You're just aiming to have fun, and you just want stuff to be as good as as good as you can do in the moment. And that's it. Don't be too stressed out about anything. There's no need. No, there's nothing to be stressed about. It's just having fun doing this sort of thing. And it's relaxing. It really is. It's completely relaxing. It's my favorite time of the day when I do stuff like this, when I just draw and I get to sit and just draw. And, I want it to be the exact same for you. Make this like the funnest time of your day. And, just take your time. Mistakes happen. It is what it is. And, try it out again and just stick with it. Thank you so much. Please share the video if you did enjoy it. That helps the channel out. I read every comment, so I'd love to hear your comments. Like I said, I'm gonna pin the favorite one. Okay, so make it good. Make a couple if you want, and you'll get pinned forever on this video. So, all right, thank you so much, and stick around. We're gonna go through another drawing lesson now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.